Okay, so I came outside and the first thing that we see is an Air Transat A330. That is wonderful. That is wonderful. Alright, so we have an EasyJet A319 flying directly over us. Yeah, that is so clear as well. Yo, that looks wonderful. Yo, that is awesome. Okay, so we do have a British Airways 777. This one is from Cancun, and it's going to Gatwick. Wait, no, I lost it. Oh my god. There we go. There we go. I don't know why it's a bit shaky. Maybe there we go. Okay. Look at that. We have a Norse 787. Looks wonderful. Yo, just look at that. 787 flying over to go to Gatwick. Yo, that angle right here. Look at that. Look at that, yo. I kind of like to edit of these photos, and you know, if you want to go see them, then please come onto my TikTok page to see other pictures that I got for today. We've got a British Airways A320 coming into landing to Gatwick. Yo, look at that. It's such like a tiny little plane, it looks awesome. That is wonderful. That is wonderful. Okay, so this Ryanair 737 is about to fly directly past the moon. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. That is wonderful.
It'd be an 80.
Huh?
It'd be an 80. No, it's not even that.
Wait, what is it?
It's a Russian plane.
A Russian plane?
Oh.
Is that the... We have an A320 Athletic Bilbao livery. I'll show it up right now. Yeah, that looks awesome. From this angle, of course. Yeah, mate, look at that. Look at that. So clean as well, yeah. We have a Indigo 787, but they're only using well, actually, that's a fun fact that they actually use Norse. Norse is a 787, but yeah, they fly from Manchester to Mumbai, so yeah. Oh god damn it, I lost it again. Oh wait, here we go. Indigo 787, the first time I'm pretty sure I actually got Indigo. We either got an EasyJet A320 or A319. Maybe, you know, just hear those engines. That is just great. Wow. That is great.